This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Living the life of luxury in this impeccably maintained home located in the desirable Ford's Colony community. With over 3,400 square feet of living space, this 4-bed/2.1-bed home offers an open floor plan with fabulous millwork throughout. Spacious living room with cathedral/coffered ceilings, hardwood flooring, built-in shelving and gas fireplace. Kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, cedar island and bar height seating, all open to a breakfast nook and family room with a second gas fireplace. Primary bedroom with 2 generous-sized closets and large primary bath. First level also features 2 additional bedrooms with Jack and Jill bath, utility, mudroom and peaceful screen porch with vinyl all-season windows. Second level offers a private guest suite, cedar closet and unfinished room over the garage for additional walk-in storage. Additional features include front porch with stamped concrete floor, large rear deck west/trex decking, irrigation system, and locked storage. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne at 757-746-0089.